Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. It's been a while, but I'm excited to reconnect. Okay. How do we know I'm back for real? How do we know that I'm back for real? Well, I have no other choice. If this does not work this time, I'm done. I am done. Done. I know I'm back for real this time because it's on my vision board. Because it's on my vision board. And if it's on my vision board, TikTok said then it's going to come true. And we all know that everything that TikTok says is correct, right? The other thing I'm going to do different this time around is be myself. And not that I wasn't being myself, but I felt like I wasn't being myself. So this time, we're going to be ourselves. You know what? I'm so rude. Let me introduce myself. My name is Odasha. I am a professional hairstylist, content creator, and YouTuber. I've been creating YouTube for, I don't know. I've been creating content probably since 2009. I have been a hairstylist for 1 year now, and that is also something that we will talk about on my channel. My journey being a professional in corporate America, quitting, starting all over, a whole new career, something that I'm passionate about. I'm going to share with you guys how it's going, what I've learned, what I plan to learn, what I'm doing, and what I will hopefully do in the future. I'll also be doing nails. Yeah, they was cute. And then one broke today. You couldn't even wait. You couldn't even wait. You know I've been trying to do this video all week. I have a little bit of imposter syndrome. So sometimes I struggle with being myself and making content. So bear with me. I have a completely new setup. So I need to get the lighting right. I need to get the background right. I had this light on, but it was making me look weird here. So I had to turn it off. So hopefully you guys can see. It does say hairvolutions. Ooh, welcome to hairvolutions. Soundbite that. No, for real. I'm actually all over the place. And you know what? I realized that that's just me. And the quicker I learn to accept myself, the easier it will get. I have all these notes, and yet and still I keep going off the script just like I do with my life. Life has been lifing over the last 3 years. I did try to come back to YouTube a time or two, but then life continued to happen, and life is still happening. But you know what I realized? I'm going to do this whether things calm down or not. And if it works this time, it's going to work. And if not, then I'm done. But I'm not going to be done because I know this time it's going to work. I am a professional hairstylist, but I am also a content creator. I love doing hair. That is actually how I started my hair career, is doing my own hair and recording it on YouTube. I mean, that's not like how I started. I've been doing hair since I was 11 years old, but you know what I'm saying, right? I hope that makes sense because I tend to kind of go all over the place, and I hope you can handle that. We're going to have fun here. We're going to listen. We're not going to judge. We're going to be respectful in the comments. I have clean content. There will be no cursing. There will be no, none of that. I had braces. Oh, yes. And I will put those small short form content videos together. Tell you guys what I learned. Tell you guys if you are interested in becoming an adult with braces, I will give you all the tips and tricks that I've learned along the way and share with y'all some of the things that I experienced and how it's going now. Ooh, I'm here to help the girls. Yes. I understand. Some of the younger generation is a little lost, and that's okay. Because your auntie is here to help. So we're going to talk about beauty tips. We're going to talk about hygiene. We're going to talk about how we present ourselves to the world. We are going to talk about how to be ourselves. We're going to talk about the confidence we get in being ourselves and just presenting how we should present ourselves. Just all the beauty tips, things I wish I would have known in my late teens, early 20s. Oh my goodness. And another thing that I have learned going from YouTube University to becoming an actual professional hairstylist, we are going to be talking about a lot of myths. We're going to be talking about a lot of myths that people hold on to. I know people out there that are still using grease. We're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about it. Don't worry. We're going to talk about it. Really, my channel is all about hair, health, and beauty. Anything in that industry. Dabble of fashion, dabble of a daily life, dabble of a lifestyle. So if you can do me a huge favor, like, comment, and subscribe. If there is something in the beauty industry that you want me to talk about, give me some ideas in the comments. And please, guys, be respectful and nice to each other. Can we just do that this year? Can we just try? If you have any other social media platforms, please also follow me at hairvolutions. On my Instagram, I'm a little bit more active on there, so do check me out there. TikTok is a little bit more unhinged. Random thoughts. It's like mini YouTube clips all in one. Instagram, I feel like I'm a little bit more professional. We should talk about that. How did y'all do when TikTok went down? I crashed out. Just a little bit though. Only because I did not save my content. I had 203 drafts of good quality content that I did not get a chance to edit. You don't want to know how else we know I'm really back? Because I got a mic. Your girl got a mic. And if you got a mic, that's how you become official. Everybody knows. Sometimes I am going to come on here with a fully beat face. And sometimes I'm going to come on here with a natural beat. Okay? Non-GMO, organic beat. Ooh, makeup tips. I actually teach people how to do their makeup for a living as well. Yes, that is also a part of my job description where I work right now. I have learned so much. It is so fun. I never thought teaching someone how to do their makeup would be so joyful. But the looks that I get from people, the joy they get, it just really makes me happy. And I'm still learning. And that's another thing about me. My goal is to never stop learning, never stop with my personal development. And that's another thing I'm going to share on my channel with you guys. So if those are things that you are interested in, if you want to level up, I want your homegirl to talk to you. That's me, baby. That's me. And yes, you can listen to me with your kids in the background because you know why? I don't use curse words. No. I know there's not many of us out there, but some of us use other words. Skincare, yes, we'll talk about skincare. We'll talk about makeup. We'll talk about hair DIYs, teeth, glasses, fashion, nails. What do I really love about the hair industry and being behind the chair? And what do I really struggle with? What they don't tell you before you become a professional hairstylist? How the game has changed and no one's talking about it. Expect to see me every Monday at 5 Arizona time. I don't know. Arizona does not practice daylight savings time, so y'all gonna have to do your own time calculation in your head. Let me know in the comments for real. What do you guys want to see? And check me out on my other social media platforms. Let's say you see one of my videos and it's really short and you're like, how do you do this? That is where I will get my ideas from. I will get my ideas from you guys. So let me know what you guys want to see so that I can create those things. And please, no matter what, don't forget to like, subscribe. Tell your friend to subscribe. Tell your cousin to subscribe. I'm trying to get my subscribers up. I need y'all to help me to do this for real. And the way that I can get your help is by your support. So when you like, when you comment, that helps. Even if it's just commenting a smiley face in the comments, I'm here for it. Thank you. Ooh, and you can also turn on your post notifications. Yes. Turn on your notifications so you know every time I drop. I do post more short form content randomly on my YouTube shorts, but primarily every Monday here at 5 p.m. Arizona time, you can expect a video. Thank you guys so much for sticking around. I cannot wait to chat with you guys, get to know you guys, and let's level up together. Let's see where this next chapter takes us. Thank you so much for watching.